Since we've worked so hard together to get these Mark Twain quizzes up and running, I'm going to show you how you can populate all of your quiz results into one spreadsheet so that all of your responses are in one spot and they're easy to populate and track who has taken which quiz and the scores. So what I would do first is just open up your Mark Twain quiz folder, make a copy of it so that it is your folder and you're not using my data within your spreadsheet. So make a copy. Then once you made a copy, click on any test. I'm just going to start with the first one. When you click on the test, you're going to click up here on responses. When you go to responses, if you click the three dots here, you're going to choose select a response destination. You're going to, since it's your first quiz, you're going to create a new spreadsheet. And I'm going to call this Mark Twain 2020 and 21. So I'm going to create that spreadsheet and it's going to go right there. All right, so now that we have them all unbound, finished, I'm going to click on blended. So now I'm going to go to the blended quiz. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to click on responses. But this time, I'm going to select a response destination, but instead of creating a new spreadsheet, I'm going to select an existing one since I've started one. The spreadsheets that I've created within Google are all going to be here. So I'm going to click on the one that I just made, Mark Twain 2021. Click that, and it automatically populates. So if you click on this button right here, it's going to show you the responses. So here's the one thing you probably need to pay pretty close attention to. When your spreadsheet populates, it's not going to automatically name your quiz. So you've got to come in here and you need to change the name to whatever quiz it was. So since this was our first quiz, I'm going to just name that Amal. And then I'm going to change this one to blended. And so it will create the 12 tabs here on the bottom so that you can see the student's name, their score, and so they'll just keep populating. So you could go back here to Captain Superlative and you could select the response destination, select the existing one, and click it, and it's going to be there. So if I click on the spreadsheet, you'll see that once it stops spinning, it's there. So I just need to go in here and change the name, and it's there. And all of your responses, every time a quiz is taken, they will all drop into the same spot. Hope this helped.